You can't move fast and break things when you're working in global payments or with people's money. These things need to be resilient, they need to be secure. You need to build processes and ways of working that are going to last years and decades, and that's the value of partnering with folks like Digital Realty. We promised you some stories from the front line, so I've got a couple, Chris has got one, talking about a couple of different use cases where we're deploying these kind of services. So the first one I'll talk about briefly is the flight case process, which touched upon earlier. So whether it's an existing location or a brand new one, we find a lot of value, particularly when we're going to some of these remote locations, of physically unpacking these tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of assets, checking every single one, rejecting the failures, organizing, setting everything up. When you're running a program where the expenditure is measured in millions or tens of millions or hundreds of millions of dollars, whether it's a cash in the bank situation or a loan you've taken out to build that project, you're amortizing over time. If you can claw a month back on that program, that's quite a lot in a year, in a world where my friend Jensen, reimagines infrastructure every 12 months and makes it bigger and better. So if you're taking 2 months, 3 months to deploy infrastructure, that's 3 months of it being the new shiny wasted. So our value is using this process where we ultimately get assets into customer data centers like Digital Realty's without huge pallets, without piles of mess. We get assets that are good to go into racks deployed really rapidly.